Hello guys, welcome back to IPCS Digital. In the last tutorial we have learned about search engine working. Today let's discuss about types of search engine optimization. SEO has been mainly divided into three parts: white hat SEO, black hat SEO and grey hat SEO. White hat SEO is considered as ethical and organic SEO. Here we follow all search engine guidelines. It is a slow process but provides long-lasting growth and ranking. Next one is black hat SEO. Black hat SEO is considered to be unethical. We do not follow any search engine guidelines here. Black hat SEO provides quick, unpredictable and short-lasting growth in ranking. There is a possibility of getting your site blacklisted by using black hat SEO. If your site got blacklisted, the search engine will not show the website in any search result. Link spam, keyword stuffing, cloaking, hidden links and hidden text are some black hat SEO techniques. Now let's see what is grey hat SEO. Imagine your client needs top ranking with targeted keywords. You cannot use either white hat SEO nor black hat SEO. Grey hat SEO is a combination of white hat SEO and black hat SEO. Here we use 95% of white hat SEO and 5% of black hat SEO. But it is always best to use white hat SEO in initial levels. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next chapter. Be online, be updated. Thank you.